Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of our LangChain Tutorial Series. Let's start today with understanding what prompt templates are. So basically in the last chapter we learned how to set up our LangChain and how to import some strings to it and then run the prediction. But now we will understand a new abstraction called prompt template. So the strings that we enter into LLMs are called prompts, and basically prompts tell the LLM what to do. And a prompt template refers to a reproducible way of generating a prompt. So reproducible way to generate a prompt. है ना? Now it contains a text string. So basically it contains a text string. ठीक है? And it can take a set of parameters from the user. Okay, we'll take a look at what exactly I mean by parameters, etc. First start with a simple example. So let's understand what kind of prompts we can generate from a prompt template. So again, first of all we need to import prompt template. Okay, and then import work. Then we first need a template string. The template string contains the structure of the prompt template. So let's say we want our LLM to write jokes about a certain topic, है ना? Topic. Now we can also say what kind of jokes we want. So adjective can be funny, sad, dark jokes. And now we can use this string to generate multiple prompts, है ना? So basically let's say I want to create a prompt template. So now what I will do is I would create a prompt template using this string. So now my template would contain this string, which is template string, right? And I would have input variables which are essentially which is an array which describe what kind of input variables do we have. So we have here adjective, right? And we have topic. Okay, so this is our prompt template, right? And now what we can do is we can generate different prompt strings from this template. So for example, prompt template dot format, right? Adjective equal to funny and content equal to, let's say, Spider-Man. Okay, topic. Okay, it's topic. Yeah, sorry, tell me a funny, okay, I missed joke, right? Tell me a funny joke about Spider-Man, tell me a sad joke about Spider-Man, tell me a sad joke about Avengers, tell me a lame joke about Harry Potter, right? We can use this prompt template to generate multiple prompts, and then what we can do is we can use this in our prediction. So now prediction, what we can do is we can use LLM and then we can just do this. We can copy this and we can input this as a string for our prediction, and we can print prediction, right? Sorry, LLM is not defined. One second, let me do this. Okay, sorry. I will have to run it from the start, sorry. Okay, and yes, and yeah. So it would basically, why did Harry Potter get in trouble at school? He was caught pottering around. Okay, tell me a sad joke on Harry Potter, and it would give us a sad joke. What did Harry Potter say when he lost his wand? I solemnly say, sir, I'm Muggle now. Tell and what we can do is we can, I think, trigger verbose equal to true. Let me see if this works. No, it won't. So let me, what I'll do is let me put this into a new variable which is one second, refined prompt string, and let me just give this here, right? And also print this here. So prompt is, sorry, this one, right? Prompt, tell me a sad joke about Harry Potter. What did Hagrid name his pet fish? Whenever. Okay, tell me a sad joke about orphans. Once I the parents in shop place, but the parents I never had. Oh, this is actually sad. That's how prompts work. Yeah, so this was all about prompts. In the next tutorial, what we would do is we will learn about what LLM chains are. So LLM chains combine different things together in order to make this run as smooth as possible. And it is using chains that we will generate LLM applications such as question answering, or basically summarization, and some other thing like self-critiquing chains and analyzing document chains. So chains are a very important concept, and you would learn about them in the next video. Till then, think about what kind of applications you want to build with OpenAI, and we will start building applications right now. Yeah, so see you in the next tutorial.